Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well reviewed everywhere. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. This item's been going viral for weeks and... Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. If you're wondering whether it's worth it,